guys, good morning. Today I would like to present you this deluxe, wonderful two-bedroom, two-bath apartment in a part of Albany Park, located at 4518 North Kedzie. Let's come in inside and I will show you the unit. Beautiful open layout, combination of living, dining, and open concept kitchen. Very spacious, great place for entertainment, great place to even set up like a little office area so you can work from home. Beautiful hardwood floors. Living room has access to the balcony, as well master bedroom, so have like two balconies, so great for the outdoor seating. Let's see kitchen now. So a lot of cabinet space. So if you guys like to cook, it's perfect. All the stainless steel appliances, microwave, dishwasher, granite countertops, garbage disposal, beautiful, and just really you cannot ask for any more. Let's go and check the master bedroom. So as I mentioned, there's two balconies. One of the living room and the second one of the master bedroom. Great size. You easily will fit the king size bed, and you still have room for nightstands and the dresser. Great closet space, so it's like one for him, one for her. So I can see, and they go all the way through, so there's no like a divider, so great. And let's see, and check the master bathroom. Gorgeous double sink, shower with body spray, the rain, I would call it the beautiful shower, I forgot the name for it, like the rain filter, the rain something. Anyhow, then jacuzzi, huge, awesome. So it's great, like, especially in the winter, when it gets cold. Okay, let's see the rest of the apartment. So it's a central heat and AC, you control it. Water, sewer, and trash included in the rent. So that's good. The second bedroom is also like a great size with amazing closet space. Again, there's like place like I'll open the closet so you can. The same thing, and there's like a shelf with the hanging like a bar. So that's great. The price for the unit is $1,900. And the nice thing about this, like a unit in the building, there's no security deposit. So like you just basically pay one-time moving-in fees for $100 and you're in. The other awesome feature, so like a laundry room, so washer dryer in a unit, full size. You have a high efficiency here. I'll show you. High efficiency like furnace, water heater. So that will really help with your heating costs and like AC. Second bathroom. Also, the jacuzzi tub, spacious, beautiful, like no tiles. I did not mention it's an elevated building, so like no stairs, no need to like. Walk, it's easy to move in on your stuff. The other thing, Intercom. So Intercom goes to it's a secure building, first of all. So secure building, Intercom. So all the you can like buzz in visitors, like package people through your phone. So even if you're not home, you can easily let them in. pet friendly, so like dogs, cats, okay, with a little fee for the pets. It's just like great place, great location. Did not mention walking distance to the Brown Line. You just, I believe it's like not 3-5 minutes walk, not even. And on your way to drink and stop at Starbucks. Great restaurant in the area, from like Middle Eastern, Japanese, Chinese, American. So like a very diverse area, very walkable. It's what Albany can offer you. So again, any questions, and if you'd like to schedule a private showing, just give us a call. You can reach me at 312-619-8208. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.